Imagine waking up to something like this. This cute little tropical diner. Oh, and we have the place to ourselves. So gorgeous in here. Hi guys! We are going to Seline, which is the naturist beach. So it should be really cool. I guess we have a bit of a walk, but our cab driver was really nice, told us how to get there. So let's go have some more adventures. Well, while we catch our breath, there's the beach. Quite the views up here. Wow. So this is st.Barths. Neat. Guys. Look. Oh my gosh. There are some spots here that are just incredibly beautiful. Oh my gosh. I can't make this up. There's like 4 people here. And it's perfect for wave jumping. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's like every beach is more beautiful than the last. We found the tiniest bit of shade. So we're gonna chill on this rock today in between the sun and the fun. I just wanted to walk over here and show you guys how hilly it is. A lot of times they've been building mansions on top of these mountains. That sounds like an album. Mansions on mountains. Well, that was quite the wild ride. The views here are like some of the most beautiful ever. But we're gonna freshen up and head downtown for lunch and see what else there is. And here is just a brief kind of look at the room. Big enough. We made it downtown. Ooh, there's the super yachts. And the harbor. There you go. Let's see. And this is what the downtown is looking like. All the fancy shops, but still very chill. Oh. Do you guys want to see the biggest yacht, like, ever? Oh my goodness. Oh. What? Holy smokes. Nice. There you go, fam. That was a nice lunch. And you know, actually, it's bougie just being here. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money, actually. Like, literally, everyone is looking at everybody like they're somebody, which they are. And I just had to come back and show you guys the nice yachts. Oh my god. Oh my god. This one. Oh my god. Guys. Wow. Very cool. Jeez Louise. Eve Sia. Whoever's boat that is. Belray? Okay, Bloody Bay, that's we should walk this way. I'm scared. Oh, but do you see the views? People are pretty friendly here. And everyone smells really, really good. Everybody. I mean, the whole town smells like Jo Malone, like my favorite cologne. Oh, yeah, everybody smells high end. That's great. What else? What else can I tell you about St. Barthélemy? There's geckos everywhere. And that beach I will remember forever. Wow. So I'm almost out of battery for today. But, well, my phone is. I'm not. But, yeah, we're gonna do like a lap, I guess, around here. Like, this feels like a separate island, actually. I guess there's at least 5 stories on all these maxi yachts. Oh, wow. Quite the experience. And in case I don't see you later, that's it for day 2. Bye. This is just a view from the back. Decided to take a peek around the shops and to cool off from the heat. You have all of these little shops back here, very private.